These are the stuff you gotta take under the car before you get to the downpipes. So I can't record while I'm doing it because it's kind of hard. So what I'm gonna do is take off the stuff and then go under and show you. So it's kind of hard. Let me see. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have to replace the oil pan gasket because it's leaking pretty bad, but I'll have to do it in the springtime because it's kind of chilly now. And I mean, yeah, I'm here. I'm gonna try to find a hoist and do it on the hoist because it's a lot easier than laying down on your back. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. These are the downpipes. Got 1 and 2. They go in there. It's kind of hard to see, but it shouldn't be that bad. You have to, well, I'm gonna see first if I have to lower the subframe. I might be cutting it right here since I don't need these, and cut it right here, so maybe I won't have to take off the subframe, which honestly I don't want to do. But if I had a hoist, it would be a lot easier. So I'm gonna clean this up and then I'm gonna start on downpipes. Get back to you guys. All right. Okay, this so far I got done. This is the front one. I had to cut it right here, and then I loosened the clamp up here and took this part off before I took this off. The second one, downpipe off. Then I took this one off, but you gotta take the O2 sensors out so it's easier for you. So let me show you under the car what I did. Okay, I put a support right here with the jack, so lift up the engine a little bit. I loosened these right here. Let me show you. Okay, this one and this one, I loosened them up, this right here. Then I loosened this one a little bit, the one up here and the one up here, so this came down a little bit. I lift the engine up so it gives me the room. So he gave me the room to take the back one out. So now we're gonna put the catless downpipes back in, and I'm gonna show you this bracket. I'm gonna cut it so I can put it back in. This one, I'm gonna cut it right here. These are some kind of spacers where transmission goes, so I'm gonna just use this and cut this off because I used to bolt up downpipes here, but catless don't have that. So all right, once I put those back in, I'm gonna get back to you guys again. It was a pain in the butt. Now we're gonna do a cold start. Just install the downpipes.